What's going on, everybody? You're watching GT Sam. I'm Sam, and today is a quick video, and I got a question for you. How do you all live with eco-friendly cars? They're kind of boring. I don't know how you all do it, so I decided to step up my game just ever so slightly. And I've had good success with this item for enhancing your car, gas mileage and power, and slight sound. So, what is that item? Well, this. We got a air filter. It's not like a stock OEM one. It's nothing like that. It's not a cold air intake. It is a performance drop-in filter. It's kind of like an AEM or K&N filter, but this is the dry performance filter of 3 layers, no oil. So it's not going to mess up your system and your sensors. So I'm thinking, does it sound better? Does it work better? And figured I'd put this in right before my long 7-hour road trip to the beach coming up here soon. So I figured I might as well try it out, and we'll see what this puppy does. We'll see how it sounds, how it performs, and I'll give you a little bit of update along the way here. So let's pop this in real quick, see what we got. Should be real quick and simple to actually pop it in. I'm not going to go too many details on actually how that works, but I will do my best. All right, so, okay, here we are. That's where the stock air box is in the filter. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to start it up first and see what it sounds like over on this, like right on this end here. See if we get anything a little bit different here. So let's see what happens.
Well, cold start, but I'd say it's not. It's a hot start 'cause it's 90 degrees.
All right, well, nothing crazy here right now. I don't hear anything too much, so I'm not gonna warm up too much because it's so stinking hot out today. I don't know why I'm wearing all black and long pants here, but all right, here we go. I mean, it wasn't like super impressive. Okay, well, here we go. Let me try this one hand. I see all the other YouTubers do it, so why can't I do it, you know? Huh? Alright, move some of this. Honestly, this center should be too hard. Pop some clips, take that top thing off, and then pull. Yep, there it is, pull. I know, my filter's really not that bad, but I don't care. I'm tired of the boarding. Oh. Well, I mean, it's kind of dark. I mean, this thing is thick. Sheesh. All right, let's get the goods going here. Oh boy, you got free stickers too. I'll put the stickers on in a moment here, but there we are. Okay, now the old, here's the new. I'll put this out of the way. All right. Didn't say it's oiled up or anything like that. It feels kind of oily, but maybe it's just for the manufacturing process. But all right, I think this only goes one way. Yeah, looks about right. Cool. It looks nice, and that's all I know for now. Okay, let's put this back together. One clip. Almost 2 clips. 2 clip and 3 clip. There we go. Okay, throw this over. There we go. Clip. There we are. Okay. Well, I'm going to save this just in case, because I don't know if I'm going to ever need that again, but let's just put that off to the side. Alright. Okay. Again, didn't sound like anything too crazy. Not really noticing a ton different. I'll let it warm up, then I'll give it some gas. Did y'all hear that? Kind of like that. I kind of like it. Good. Okay. Well, it's not my accurate TL, but It is definitely going to get, I think we're going to get better gas mileage and a little more pep out of it. Let me tell you what, when this car is full of equipment for filming, it is slow. Man, I'm trying to be very creative with this car, you know, like, let's look at this for a second. It's all pretty gray, so I'm trying to give it a little more pizzazz here, just a little bit. Like I said in the introduction video of like when I got this vehicle, I don't want to go too crazy with mods and stuff like that and spend a lot of money. This filter was not a lot of money, and when we're going to get better gas mileage and performance out of it, I think it's well worth it though. So I'm going to just try and stick with that for now, see how I do, and not buy anything else for a while here. But this sounds pretty good. I like it. Definitely has better airflow. Oh, just ignore that check engine light. That's me. That's the EGR valve I unplugged. Yeah, so right off the bat, I pulled up my driveway. It's better. It's peppier. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Okay. I like it. What are these people? Alright. A little bit of the beans. Very safely. Braking.
Yeah, you hear that? That kind of sound effect. That's what we kind of want. That's what we kind of need.
Okay, so there we are. So why did I do this? So this is because it gives me a little more free-flowing airflow into the car and engine. So my Acura TL has a long arm cold air intake from DC Sports. Love that thing. Been amazing. It really helps with sound, performance, gas mileage, power, and, you know, think about it. You're giving more airflow to your engine, so your engine's not struggling as much. Could lead to longer life longevity of the engine. Keep that in mind. This isn't proven or scientific or anything like that. That's just from my experience. And my Acura, 266,000 miles, and it's still going strong. I just drove it today. It's been amazing. I missed that car so much. Anyways, though, I know these are eco-friendly cars. They're not performance or anything like that, but I would just like a little bit more out of it. And so I think we got that now. So, for right now, it's definitely giving it a good response. Sounds good, a little bit better. It's giving more pep. Like I was pulling out of my driveway, and it just felt like smooth, just airflow and just acceleration. It just felt smooth. It felt better. And so, right now, not bad. I'll probably make a video after a 7-hour road trip, and then I got to come all the way back, so 14 hours. So in total, I'll have plenty of time to test it out and think about it and make a video for you guys here. But that is it for today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more things kind of quick like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you have questions about the filter or about this installation process and then anything else about it, go ahead, leave a comment. Love to respond, and I love reading those as well. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. This is GT Sam, and I'll catch you next time.